Mga idolo, bago tayo tumalon sa intense matchup ng Warriors versus Portland ngayon, balikan muna natin sandali ang golden history ng Golden State Warriors. Taong 1974 to 1975, panahon na walang nag-e-expect, walang naniniwala, pero nagulat ang buong NBA. Led by Rick Barry, kasama ang underrated heroes tulad nila Jamal Wilkes, Clifford Ray at si Coach Al Attles. Gumawa sila ng isang run na tinatawag na the greatest upset in NBA Finals history. Kalaban nila noon, the Washington Bullets, powerhouse team, heavy favorites, at lahat nagsasabing tambakan na magiging resulta. Pero hindi nagpatalo ang Warriors. Game after game, hustle after hustle. At sa huli, sweep nila ang Bullets, 4-0, at kinuha ang NBA Championship. Isang team na puno ng puso, chemistry, at never give up spirit. At hanggang ngayon, yung legacy na yun, ramdam pa rin natin sa Warriors basketball. At ngayon, balik tayo sa present. Ready na ba kayo? Let's jump into today's matchup. Warriors versus Portland. Modern firepower meets classic rivalry. What's up mga idolo? Welcome back sa channel. Ngayong araw, big showdown tayo. Golden State Warriors versus Portland Trail Blazers. Warriors veteran firepower from Curry, Jimmy Butler, Draymond Green at kasabay ang explosive energy nina Podziemski at Moody. Sa Portland Trail Blazers naman, young guns, fast-paced, fearless, led by Camara, Klingan, Abdiha at Caleb Love. Old rivalry, new generation, let's go! First quarter pa lang, ang bilis agad ng laro. Warriors running the classic motion offense. Curry cutting, relocating, umiikot sa screens parang hindi napapagod. At ayun na nga, Draymond handoff sa cutting nakakampi, splash! Portland answers quickly. Abdiha attacking early, Love to Klingan, bang! Curry attacking hard to the rim, then floater. Caleb Love then responds with a soft 3-point shot. Tight game agad. Under 4 minutes, gandang 3 ng Chef. Bawi naman sa kabila ng Portland ng dunk. Bago matapos ang first, isang magandang pasa sa paint para sa finish ni Butler. End of first quarter, Portland up by 7, 35-28. Second quarter, benches in. Jimmy controls the tempo. Classic veteran, chill pero deadly. Portland counters with Abdiha. My goodness! Gandang 3 para makuha ng Portland ang momentum. Warriors is facing doing damage. Green doing anything he wants. Curry back in, hits a quick off-ball screen, layup, and 1. Pero Curry doing work. 3-point jumper, top shot making on full display. Bago matapos ang first half, Klingan ginawa na lang asitahan ng greatest shooter. Halftime score, Warriors up by 7, 72-65. Mga idolo, comment nyo ngayon pa lang. Team Dub Nation ka ba o Team Rip City? And kung nag-e-enjoy ka sa game coverage natin, hit like and subscribe para tuloy-tuloy ang NBA recap content natin araw-araw. Third quarter na, dito kadalasan umaarangkada ang Warriors at hindi sila nag-disappoint. GSW catches fire, relocation 3, good. Transition pull-up, good. Broken play, off-balance jumper, good na naman. Portland napa-timeout. Pero pagkatapos ng timeout, Portland responds, Klingan 3-point shot, basket! Walang cover. Jimmy Butler, love to Jackson Davis. Bang! Freak elevation dunk. Buong arena na pa, oh! Si Soko hits a big corner 3. Bang! Warriors still lead, but Portland not backing down. End of third, close game pa rin. Tension rising, 97-94. Alright mga idolo, dito na natin malalaman kung sino ang tunay na clutch. Warriors open the quarter with Green, 3-point shot. Bang! Portland answers, Sissoko attacking extra pass kay Williams for open dunk. Wara highlight. Camara, 3 points pull-up, smooth as always. 8 minutes left, 5-point lead. Curry checks back in. At ayun ang problema ng Portland. Curry pulls from deep. Good! Crowd erupts. Portland tries to answer. William hits a top dunk. Camara, nice hustle play to get the rebound and put back in. 3 minutes left. screen, nice screen to Jimmy for open dunk. 2 minutes left, Portland up by 4. Curry versus Camara, pinasayaw, sabay step back 3. Sabay shimmy sa bench. Portland trying lumayo. Abdiha, floater in traffic, basket. Portland hold the lead. With 26 seconds remaining, Curry may hawak ng bola. Matake, sabay step back 3. Bang! Steph Curry's step back is little. 5 seconds remaining. Portland lead by 4. Green grab the rebound, sabay pasa kay Curry sa 3. Misses. And that's the game. What a performance! Warriors show experience plus chemistry, plus elite shooting. Curry, vintage MVP mode. Butler, huge energy, big moments. Draymond, classic defensive leadership. Portland though, props to them. Such a bright future with Camara, Klingan, and Abdiha. This rivalry is alive again. Mga idolo, salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan mo ang gameplay breakdown na to, don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment. Kung anong matchup ang gusto mong i-cover natin next. Warriors versus Portland, kaninong future ang mas malakas? Drop your opinions below. Once again, this is your Spotlight on Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.